Okay, so now I...
Okay. Can I call you back in 5 minutes? Okay. All right. All right. So, okay. So go ahead. Unplug the pump.
unplug the pump.
Yeah. All right. So pretty much
I'll
we're
plug
done
this
with.
back in.
Yep. Plug that back in so you don't forget. So we're good. All right. So now what you're gonna do is take the hose on the right hand. Close the valve on the right hand top side.
So I'm diverting it to the other position.
Yep.
And then I
And
unscrew
then take the
this
hose off.
and then put the cap back
And
on.
put the cap back on. There you go. All three of those things you can do all at once.
Okay.
All right. Now pull the pump out of here and put it back in the box. You might have a little bit of water, so take the pump out. Well, just take it out. Take it out of the water fully. That's what you want to do. Empty it out. Keep it upside down so that the water comes out of it. Yep. All right. You can take the filter off. All right. Put the filter in the box. Take that off of there. All right, put there. All right, now grab that hose, wrap it up, put it beside the box. Let's throw that out of here. If I'd have done it, you wouldn't remember none of it.
That's right.
All right, let's take the bucket back. Now put the other hose inside the bucket. No. Your other hose. Just put it in the bucket. The end.
Well, the end.
Yeah, put the end in the bucket. All right. Now on the right side at the bottom, turn that valve on. Not fully. The one at the bottom.
The blue one.
The blue one. Yeah. Turn it on. Water's going to start squirting into the bucket. But you want to be able to control it because you don't want a full pressure. You just want it to. You want to flush the system. Okay. Yeah. Turn it on. Not stay there and wait. All right. That might be too much. So, all right. So I'll hold it. Put your finger on it, and I'll tell you when to shut it off. Let it out. Just now. Keep going. Keep going. Turn it back on. Yeah, that's how you can leave it. Leave it just like that. So here. All right. So what you're doing is you're flushing all the sediment, the stuff that was in there, and the liquid that got pushed into the system. Now you're flushing it out with good, clean water instead of the cycle that it was going. So you watch it. You fill it 3/4. You shut it off. Then you can take the hose off. Then you can once you shut it off, then we'll empty the bucket, and then we close the ports on the left hand side. So that's pretty much what you're doing. Now you're running good clean water through the system to flush out the solution that we put into the unit.
Okay.
All right. Wait till it gets 3/4. When it gets 3/4, then you can shut the water back off.
Okay. I think that's about 3/4.
Yeah. So go ahead and shut it off. No, go ahead.
So after the bucket got 3/4 of the way full, I shut off the blue valve on the bottom on the right side. And then I changed the position of the top red valve and took the hose off, and now I'm putting the cap on. Okay, just hand tighten.
Yep. All right. Now take your hose out of there. Put your hose here. All right. Take your bucket. Let's empty the water on the bucket. So now shut off both ports, shut off both valves to the ports. Make sure those are done.
The bottom or the top?
No, the ports are always the outlets. Those are what called ports. The ones that you took the hoses from. Are those all of those have the caps on them? Okay. So now go ahead and turn the cold water on the right hand side. All right. Now open the left hot water. All right. So go ahead and record that until you talk to yourself on your computer on your phone.
I got that.
You got that?
Yep.
All right. Now go ahead and turn the gas back on. All right. Now let's go over here and let's run the hot water.
Now that air condition should clear itself, right?
It should clear itself, yes. If not, we'll figure it out. What it was reading is no gas, so